Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam tasliman kathira. Welcome to the third of 5 videos in this set A of navigating through Hans-Wehr. In this set, we are looking at the theoretical aspects of using the Hans-Wehr Dictionary, some of the things that we must bear in mind in trying to use the dictionary. In our previous video, we looked at additions made to the three-letter root verb and how those additions change the fi'l or the verb into an ism, which we roughly translated as a noun, but we also saw how the additions sometimes became adjectives. So we want to look more closely at those changes. And so again, we've seen, if we look here at this diagram, we can see the concept that we've talked about, which is that we begin with the three-letter root verb, here being sahara. And I'll just mention here that the three-letter root verb in general, this is a 85% rule, it's applied 85% of the time. It's going to begin with a fatha and it's going to end with a fatha. The only difference that you're going to have is this middle haraka, or this middle diacritical mark, which could be a fatha, a kesra, or a dhamma depending on the situation. So even though I don't have a haraka here, a diacritical mark here on the ra, we still know that that's a fatha there. So the verb here is sahara. Now, we saw the word sahur, and we saw the change was with a waw, and we said that sahur is the meal that you eat at night before fajr comes in, especially for those who are fasting. We said sihri, with the addition of the ya here, means magical. We said meshar was not a word listed in the Hans-Wehr Dictionary, but by analogy, using the meme and the fatha, we said that meshar would probably be a place where magic or sorcery is performed. A sahar, with the addition of the alif, we said is a professional sorcerer, and sahara, with the addition of the ta marbuta, we said means a group of sorcerers. It's a plural of the fa'il form, or sahir. And so again, the idea here is having a concept of what additions will be made to the three-letter root verb, so that when we see a word that has more than 3 letters, we know what letters will possibly be taken away. So in the first example, we had a waw. And the waw is an elongation letter. Usually it's going to be used for elongation, like here with sahur. So we have the dhamma and we elongate that with the waw. Ya, which is also an elongation letter. So here we have the ya, which elongates this kesra. So we have sihri. We also have alif, which is an elongation letter, which elongates the fatha. So we have sahar. So all of these 3 are all elongation letters. So the elongation letters are usually additions, and so that's important to keep in mind. Also, we have ta in its various forms. We have the ta marbuta, those first 2, and the ta maftuha, which is here, just as we have in sahara. So usually, if you have more than 3 letters and there's a ta in there, your best bet would be that that ta has been added as opposed to the other letters. And the last one that we have is the meme. If we have a meme, whether it has a fatha, a kesra, or a dhamma, usually it is an addition, especially if it's in the beginning of the word. So if we have a meme at the beginning of the word, we'll usually assume that that is an addition. So these are the letters you need to keep in mind when trying to find the 3-letter root. If you take these away, either one of them or more of them, you can usually get to the 3-letter root.